Hey guys, it's me again, Hugo, from Langmaster Learning System. Welcome to our series, Vocabulary for Communication. In this episode, we will be learning about the topic, booking a plane ticket. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Agency. Agency. Reserve. Reserve. Return ticket. Return ticket. Single ticket. Single ticket. Airline. Airline. Prefer. Prefer. Service. Service. Check. Check. In advance. In advance. Vegetarian meal. Vegetarian meal. Discount. Discount. Check. Check. Cash. Cash. Reconfirm. Reconfirm. Pick up. Pick up. Fare. Fare. Pay. Pay. I'd like to book a ticket to Vietnam for tomorrow. I'd like to book a ticket to Vietnam for tomorrow. I'd like a ticket for economy class. I'd like a ticket for economy class. Can I book a return ticket in advance? Can I book a return ticket in advance? When do you have flights to... When do you have flights to... How about the next flight? How about the next flight? Does this flight make any stopovers? Does this flight make any stopovers? Are there any special discount tickets? Are there any special discount tickets? Which airline do you want to take? Which airline do you want to take? What's your name and flight number? What's your name and flight number? I'd like to reconfirm my flight at 5 p.m. tonight. I'd like to reconfirm my flight at 5 p.m. tonight. Will you pay by cheque or in cash? Will you pay by cheque or in cash? What's the departure time? What's the departure time? I will pick up my ticket at the airport. I will pick up my ticket at the airport.
Hello, AIC Travel Agency. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to book 2 return tickets to New York, please.
Okay. There is Vietnam Airlines and American Airways. Which one do you prefer?
I would prefer Vietnam Airlines. It makes me feel more comfortable.
Okay, let me check. May I please have your name?
Sure, my name is Hugo and my wife's name is Hua. Also, could I book a vegetarian meal for the flight, please?
I'm going to London.
Good choice.
I'm leaving next Thursday.
There's usually more flights on Friday.
Great, I would like a single ticket on Friday.
Okay. There you are.
Thank you. Oh, I would like to go first class.
First class is usually booked up. Great! That's all for this episode of Vocabulary for Communication. If you've liked this video, please click the like button or subscribe for more videos. If you want to learn more about learning English vocabulary methods, please check out one of our books, Vocab Express or Vocab Workshop. The links for these are in the description below. If you want to learn more about learning English methods, then please leave your phone number or email address in the comment section below. I've been Hugo from Langmaster Learning System. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.